Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.1 on focus. This criterion is designed to ensure that users can perceive when a control receives focus on a web page. To meet this criterion, websites should provide a clear visual indication when a control receives focus. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use CSS to change the border or background of the element. You can use CSS to change the border or background of the element when it receives focus, which will provide a clear visual indication to the user. Here's an example of using CSS to change the border of an input element when it receives focus. In this example, the focus pseudo class is used to change the border of the input element to a blue color when it receives focus. Use ARIA attributes to add a focus indicator. You can use ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, attributes to add a focus indicator to an element. The role attribute can be set to button or link, and the tab index attribute can be set to 0 to indicate that the element is focusable. Additionally, the ARIA attributes can be used to add additional information about the element. In this example, the role attribute is set to button to indicate that the link is a button, and the tab index attribute is set to 0 to indicate that the element is focusable. The ARIA label attribute is used to provide a label for the button, and the I element is used to display an icon. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that users can perceive when a control receives focus on a web page, and meet WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.1 on focus.